afternoon. I'm Dave Allen, and this is our PAX-PAT lab. We have about 28 modules in this room. Combined, they are for 7th and 8th grade. We have one of the biggest labs in the country, actually. And if you've taken a look around here already today, or what you're going to see today, are visitors from different schools throughout Sac City Unified School District, as well as the region, who are all getting excited about the 7th and 8th grade career readiness labs. And this is a great way for us to show our students with hands-on experiences different career fields that they may be interested in, that they can go into right out of high school, sometimes with just a 2-year certification and a degree, and end up making fantastic money. So throughout all of these modules, you will find everything from medical to home and structural engineering to forensic science, culinary, as well as digital audio and digital manufacturing. We are really trying to cover it all, especially for this region in Sacramento, where we think that kids will be able to graduate high school from an area high school and find that there's something they want to go into. And that's really what we're about, is trying to get kids excited about a career and get them excited about attending school too.